Welcome to Innovant Healthcare, where excellence meets innovation in the world of medical instruments. Today, we take you on a journey behind the scenes to witness firsthand the heart of our operations, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Our story began 50 years ago, rooted in a family-owned medical instrument manufacturing business. Today, we stand tall as a dedicated manufacturer and supplier, striving to provide you with nothing but the best. Our skilled professionals, fueled by passion and dedication, craft each instrument with meticulous precision. From the moment our raw materials arrive, we leave no detail unchecked, ensuring the highest quality. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our quality-assured CE and UKCA marked instruments. Quality is the backbone of Innovant Healthcare. Our instruments undergo rigorous engineering analysis and stringent inspections, adhering to the globally recognised standards of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485-2016, and the Medical Device Directive 9342 EEC. Furthermore, we are actively pursuing the prestigious EU MDR certification, signifying our unwavering dedication to upholding the highest standards of excellence. Our extensive range of high-quality surgical products caters to various disciplines, from surgery to dentistry and veterinary care. State-of-the-art high-tech machinery that aims to minimize manual work and significantly increase efficiency. By implementing these advanced technologies, we can ensure that our output meets the highest standards of quality. The investment in cutting-edge machinery is a testament to our commitment to providing our customers with excellent quality instruments. We understand the importance of every instrument we produce, which is why we offer a 5-year guarantee against manufacturing defects. At Innovant Healthcare, our commitment goes beyond just manufacturing instruments. Our mission is to simplify and optimize your organization's supply chain, allowing you to channel your energy toward delivering exceptional care and fostering enhanced health outcomes for your patients. We take pride in being your one-stop solution, offering a wide range of instruments with complete traceability maintained throughout the manufacturing process. At Innovant Healthcare, our unwavering dedication to excellence, customer satisfaction, and uncompromising quality has been the driving force propelling us from the very beginning. The instruments we manufacture are not mere tools. They are precision instruments used to save lives and improve health outcomes. Our mission is simple: to provide products of the highest caliber, characterized by strength, precision, and reliability. So, join us on our journey towards a brighter future, where we continue to strive for excellence and create a positive impact in the lives of individuals around the globe. Innovant Healthcare. Innovate your care.